Good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
Today we are learning about types of control structures. But before that, is everybody in class? Class A?
Yes.
Is everybody in?
Yeah.
So after this class, you give me the attendance list. How was your weekend? Good. Eh? So back to types of control structures. Last session, we defined control structures. We said control structures are what?
Fundamental building blocks that control the
Yes, we said control structures are fundamental building blocks of codes that control the flow of code execution. So we said how many control structures? We said we have the sequential, selection, and iteration. So today we are going to continue to measure with the iteration. Because last time we said we have the sequential, this one is the what? Which type of structure is this? Marcela? Mark, you can help?
It's a type of control structure that execute a block of code in the order they appear.
Yeah, this one, the code is executed statement by statement, the way they appear in the code itself. We say selection, we have what? We have if statement, if else, and what else?
Else if,
And else if, and switch. So these ones are for the what? For the selection statements. But today we are going to look at the type of the iteration statements. How many are they? Types of iterations? Three. So one, we have the for loop. Two, while loop. Thank you. And do while. So in this class, we'll start with the for loop. In the for loop, you have to know what is the for loop, the syntax of the for loop, and maybe you give an example of a code using what? The for loop. So for loop, we can say that these are structures which allow what?
a type of looping that execute a block of code a specific number of times.
Yeah, it executes, it repeats block of code a specific number of times. So we can have the syntax for loop. Syntax, you write for, initialization, condition, and update. Update, this one can be the increment or the decrement. So example of code in, who can write an example of a code in C for loop? No. So if this is the syntax, so here we will have the what? The statement. So example of a code I'll give a very, very simple code here. Hash include int main. So this example is for printing numbers from 1 to 5, maybe from 1 to 5. So print f number from 1 to 5. Then you put your for initialization. You say int I is equal to 1. You initialize the counter loop to start at 1. Then you put the condition I less or equal to 5, because that's the number you want to print up to 5. Then you I increment. Then you say to print what? Print f modulus d, you print I. And then you close your braces and return 0. Then you close the other brace. So that is the code. If you run this code, will print what? It will print the numbers from 1 to 5. Checking the what? The condition, like 4. So this is the condition. As long as the condition is true, it will print what? It will print I. So that is enough for today. I'll give you an assignment on while loop. You go and read on while loop, and then write a code in C program using what? That will display the numbers from 1 to 10 using the while loop. Are we together?
Yes.
Yeah, the assignment is on what? Write a program to display numbers from 1 to 5 to 10 using a while loop. So we'll meet in the next class. Thank you.